Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, and today it's the first mod on the Mk2 Seat Leon FR. Now if you watch my previous video you will probably know what I'm gonna do, but let's roll the intro and I will show you exactly what I've got for the car.
Came back with a click clack and a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Right, so let me show you what I've got for the car, and it's some lowering springs for the Seat Leon. I did say that, you know what, it's sitting too high, so we've got these 35mm, oh don't they look lovely, 35mm lowering springs for the Leon. There we are. So these are going to go on today. We've also got a bit of a problem with the car. The CV2 is making quite a bad noise, so that needs to be changed as well. But we are going to be off to the garage to get this on, and hopefully it makes a big difference to the car. So let's go. This is the last time I'll probably sit like this. So it just sits too high for me. It's a 35mm drop, so it should be interesting. Let's head over to the garage. I think it'll make it look a lot different once the springs are on. So yes, let's head down there. I've not really shown you guys inside of the car, but this is the screen that came with the car. DFR gear knob, 6-speed. But yeah, let's down there, and you'll probably be able to hear the sound that I'm telling you about. There we go. It's that. Oops, let me just sort the camera out. It's that knocking sound that you just heard. Yeah, that knocking sound. Obviously, a load of traffic here, so you won't be able to hear it. But yeah, it is quite bad, but we're getting it all sorted, getting the springs on, so it's a happy day. And I'm just gonna get a quick oil change done on the car as well, just for peace of mind. But yeah, we will have a Seat Leon lowered, and I just can't, you know what, I just cannot wait to start doing more things to this car. The sound just makes me smile all day long. But yeah, we're here now guys, so I'm gonna go speak to the garage guy. Like I said, we're gonna leave the car with him and then pick it up later on today. It might be dark by the time I pick it up, so obviously shots are a bit rubbish in the dark, so we will continue this video tomorrow and I will show you. Obviously the springs won't work straight away, but you know, let's just see. Let's wait and see guys. The last time we'll see her like this. See what I mean? There's just too much cap there, needs to go. So yeah, last time we see her, he did say ring me later on once it's done. So yeah, I'll leave it there guys. Right, welcome back, and I've got the car back today, and it has made a difference. Let me show you, and you guys in the comments tell me what you think. So there we go. It has dropped from the back, 35mm lowering springs. I'm hoping that looks still massive. I'm hoping it still drops from the front. But yeah, let me just turn the wheel. I'll show you the springs that we have put on. hopefully you'll be able to see them. There we are. There are the springs. That's been put on as well. That's a new one. And a few of the bits, track rod ends were a bit knackered, so they got put on as well. And like I said, the CV booth, that was messed up as well, and that got put on as well. So yeah, it has dropped. Like I said, it's dropped more from the back than it has from the front. Ideally I wanted it more to drop from the front, but you know, let's see, hopefully over time it does drop a bit more. But yeah, that's it there for the video, guys. It's been done. The car drives fantastic. I've still not done a first drive. I will do the first drive now that I've sorted the problems out. And like I said, I really wanted the car lowered. That was the main thing for me, to get this car lowered so it looks a lot better, and it actually does look better. 35mm is not a big drop, but it has made a difference. So if anybody is gonna put these springs on, I would recommend them. I didn't want too much of a drop because where I live there's a lot of speed bumps and stuff, and I didn't want the car catching. My tyre power is really low as it is anyway, and these springs are not bad at all. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up there. I hope you guys like the new car. I hope you like the content. You know, hit that thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.